Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install a screen protector on the Nintendo Switch. So this is a Nintendo Switch of my kids, and to protect it, because they sometimes drop it and I don't want the screen to be cracked, I got this tempered glass from Syncwire. So this is a tempered protective glass, and I got it from Syncwire, as I said. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you care to check it out. So let's open it first. There are two protectors in this pack, so in case one of them is broken or something after you install it, or just you need to install another one, you have two. So you have here the installation guide. You have a microfiber also towel in case you need to clean the screen, and you have dry and wet wipes, two of each, a warranty, and this is a dust sticker. So this is used to remove the dust after you clean the screen. And these, I think it is a self-adhesive strip, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. The glass protector is here. And as I said, you have two. So let me put it aside now, and let's clean the screen first. So to clean it, the first thing you need to do is to take a wet wipe and then thoroughly clean the screen. So you need to remove all the dust, all the fingerprints and everything on the screen. And notice here that the Switch, it has sensors. So I'm gonna show you how to install the screen protector so that these sensors keep on working. So now I removed all the dirt from the screen. I need to wipe it dry. For this, I open the dry wipe and open it all the way. And then let's dry it. After I dry the screen, I notice that there is still some dust on the screen, and this is where the dust sticker is useful. So let me get one of the dust stickers, and then here I'm gonna put it on the screen to remove all the dust. Now the screen is really clean. Let's get the tempered glass. And you notice the keys here, so they should align with the sensors here. So it is like that. To hold the tempered glass, you need to put these self-adhesive strips on it. So this is one here, like that, so that you can hold it. And this is the other one, like this. And now that you have the strips, just peel the protective here plastic and hold the glass with the strips. Do not put your fingertips on it. Make sure to align the holes here to the sensors, and then just put it in like this. And notice how it will stick. So now I need to remove the bubbles. Just push the bubbles out and they will go out. You should be patient to remove the bubbles and do it slowly. So this is the end result, and the screen protector is really installed, and it is not visible when it is well installed like this. And if you want to check it out, I have an Amazon affiliate link in the description. I will gain a small percentage if you make a purchase using my link at no cost to you, and this will help my channel. I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope that this video was useful to you. Until next time.